Let's now meet the starters for both teams. First, for our Philippine National Police Lady Patrollers. Let's start with our setter and our team captain at number 3, Patrolwoman Entezar Bangcola. Millbucker, number 5, Patrolwoman Chris Setucas. Another millbucker, number 7, Police Corporal Cez Oliveros. Opposite hitter, number 9, Police Corporal Caressa Vicente. Outside hitter, number 13, Patrolwoman Kia Gomez. Outside hitter, number 20, Patrolwoman Mila Ronquillo. Starting libero at number 2, Patrolwoman Rexha Limshaco. Head coach of the Lady Patrollers, Senior Master Sergeant Rod Pinalba. Calling on our armed forces of the Philippines, Lady Gunner. Let's start with our outside hitter and our team captain at number 1, Major Cheryl Laque. Outside hitter, number 2, First Lieutenant Killy Joy Betino. Millbucker, number 4, Sergeant Yari Yonko Kimzon. Setter, number 6, Yano Lores. Opposite hitter, number 10, Rachel Andeguia. Millbucker, number 11, Fireman First, Florence May Madulid. Starting libero at number 18, May Dr. Baron. Head coach of the Lady Gunners, Staff Sergeant Miriam Go.
Okay. Alam mo, pag nakita mo yung coaching staff ng AFP, pwedeng
Ano?
palagay ko, binubuhat nila yung mga tangke doon sa loob ng Camp Crame.
Fit na fit.
Oo, fit na fit eh. No? Ayokong tumatabi. Parang before and after ang dating. Kahit si Coach Cecil, si Coach Miriam, tingnan mo, kanila mong nagbubuhat eh. Wala pa si Wendy Simano dyan, ha? Saka si... fit na fit. Okay, game. Eto na, si Team Bangcola ang unang magsiserve ang setter ng PNP. Under na ho tayo. Bakang maatika mo ito. Pero short ang unang subok ni Yari Yonko.
Yari Yonko, I'm sure that she did not expect na hindi papasok yung tira niya because Yari Yonko is one of the dependable players of AFP.
I know Yari is into the helicopter business already. As far as the AFP stint is concerned, she's not just a player there, she's actually a sergeant already. We're tied at 1. This serve, solid from Betino. Here comes the set this time. And it's still in play. Bangcola has to hustle for it. Yonko cuts it and succeeds.
And so far, you can see no, ang AFP talagang pumupunta kay Yonko. Well, she's a middle blocker, so they're trying to have faster plays.
Yeah. 2-1 ang score po natin. AFP, malakas masyado ang serve ni KJ Kilijoy Betino. Tabla sa 2, pero you know, I really expect this to go 4 or 5 sets. Anyway, these two teams locked at 11 and 2. Ang nakataya rito is first place, actually.
Mag-gauge mo na kasi kung paano yung team kikilos on a championship match. Wow, you know, that's a good fast play there by number 7,
Oliveros.
Cez. Oliveros.
Yung matatalo rito kasi will be tied, magkakatay with BFP. So we will go to the set count most likely to decide who will be number 2 and number 3. There's no question the winner will be number 1. And Comelec will automatically be 8-6 dahil sa kanilang win-loss record. In the meantime, back to the present. Oh, good shot that time by Major Hake. And who's a real major in real life when the AFP takes care of business there. We're tied at 3.
Yeah, Oliveros wasn't able to put that ball over. Kaya the point goes to AFP. You know, na-notice ko sa both teams, maingay sila ha, in the court. They're really talking.
Sinigawan sila ng mga boss nila. Communicate! In the meantime, that service ace finds its mark. And the AFP has a slight lead as of this moment.
Yeah, si Olores is known to deliver service aces.
And she already has one.
Oh, too strong.
That's
wow!
Though. That's 2.
May top spin yung kanyang yung bola niya that it quickly just drops at the end. Look at that. Biglang bagsak.
Na-confuse si Rexer Limsiaco, ang libero ng PNP. Here's Bangcola. And that'll work for Princess Joy Oliveros.
And it's very important ng PNP merong magandang first ball because they have to run fast plays dahil alam nila mabilis ang kilos ng net defense ng AFP.
And Tin Bangcola can only do her job if she gets a good first ball to work with. Here comes Olores. Tough set. Kagawa ng paraan. Lalim ng kuha. And that was really too difficult to handle coming from Kia Gomez actually to begin with.
There goes that hit by Yonko. Very strong hit. Pag hindi yun madaplisan ng blockers, mahirap talagang kunin yun.
Big stretch by Vicente. That is Ronquillo missing the target. And the AFP advances by 3.
You know, De Gia, good decision making there. She was going to get that ball, tapos biglang na-realize niya, outside na. So she let it go.
Sayang yung libre punto. In the meantime, the serve of Yonko in play. Ronquillo gets it back quickly.
Madulid was there for that hit, pero nautakan ni Ronquillo. She played with the blocker for an off-the-block point. There you go.
You know, the PNP isn't that tall a team, but they have great volleyball skills if you think about it. Bettino. Here's a easy ball sent over that turn by De Gia. Bullet. Olores, Bettino. Vicente got to it. Start of those long rallies here. And on target. Delivered that time by Florence Madulid.
No, ang ginawa nga kasi ng AFP, nag-viewing sila ng mga games ng PNP and they really studied the movements. That's why they adjusted accordingly.
Wow. Gusto manalo talaga nitong dalawang. Okay. Sino magre-report? Go ahead, please. Ira.
As early as the start of our first game, nandito na agad sa Paco Arena yung AFP at PNP. They really want to warm up early, settle down, and of course prepare for this very important game. So para dito sa dalawang kupunan, they're treating this one as a playoff game already. Para sa PNP, they really want to stay in that #1 spot. Para naman dito sa AFP, gusto nilang makabawi dito sa PNP after losing their first meeting back in the first round. And actually, okay lang talaga kung matapos ka ng #1 or #2 in the elimination round dahil parehas kayong pasok sa semifinals. Pero ang pinagtatalunan talaga nitong dalawang kupunan ay maiwasan ang BFP na parehas itong dalawang kupunan tinalo during the elimination round. Kaya they really want to make this easier para sa dalawang kupunan. Yun talaga yung term nila. Gusto nilang mapadali yung kanilang semifinals, and in order to do that, kailangan nilang paghirapan ngayong araw. Balik sa inyo.
Hala, sige, iwas ka ng iwas sa BFP. Wala rin. Nakikita rin kayo. Yung team na yun, napakainit ng team na yun.
Yeah.
9-8. Thank you, Ira. In the meantime, we have the first timeout being called in this game.
Okay. Simple lang yung instruction. Mang, kailangan gumulaw ka roon. Lahat ng bola, mas marami sa'yo dyan. Huwag ka masyado sa pinakaguwit. Aalas kalahati lang. Ngayon, targado ang service, dalawa kayo mag-receive, ha? Isang receive lang para makapalo tayo ng maayos. Kung wala tayong receive, hindi tayo makakatake. Atakein mo na maayos. Let's go.
Hard ball. Huli tayo. Isa. Bawi ako.
that timeout nga, mga konting reminders lang on positioning at saka that first ball. Kanina pa natin paulit-ulit sinasabi, first ball. Kasi nga, kapag walang magandang first ball, walang a-under na play. So, crucial yon. And the positioning in the zone, kasi malaki-laki ang zone na babantayan mo. So, reminders lang na don't stay in one position in that zone. Doon ka sa gitna para kuha mo yung kanan, kunan mo yung kaliwa, kuha mo yung nasa harap, kuha mo yung nasa likod.
Medyo redundant nga mga volleyball coaches. O, receive muna tayo, ha? Tapos pasa, tapos atake tayo. Tapos patayin natin ball. Memorize mo na di ba? Alam mo na yung sasabihin. Wow! Good shot! Good dig. Madulid is right there. They recycle. They go to Bettino. That is going to connect.
Kaya Bettino's hit wasn't as strong as Madulid's, pero nakuha niya yung puntos dahil napwestohan niya yung tira niya in between two players.
Tabla sa 9. Ganito ho ang trend nitong laro na ito. Buong hapon. Digia serve. This one dug from down deep under. Madulid will send it over with a toss. The drop!
Nice. Ooh, good up.
Flores with a good track down. Ronquillo is at the back row right now. Here's the strike. Number 13. That's all. That is not going to work. That's Gomez rather. In the meantime, ala, bukas ang tapos nito. Digia. Bettino. Pangkolon. That's not gonna work here today. Yung hulog-hulog. Kailangan hataw hindi, matigas. Tumawid.
The ball was quite near the net kaya Chinay there. Ayun, so pinush na lang, kaya lang she was too near the net, so she accidentally crossed over.
Lamang ng isa ang gunner o ang AFP.
Oh, nice!
Ken Bangcola, the setter who played for Letran, dropping that in.
Kailangan bantayan din itong si Bangcola kasi she can also attack even if she's a setter.
Sneaky yan.
Oh, nice.
Shot. Well done. Madulid.
Ngayon pa lang alam na natin, utakan talaga itong ball game na to.
Gulangan, utakan. One woman up shit. Like there's such a word. Pilit na pilit. In the meantime, here comes this serve. Solid. Pinas to Vicente. Bangcola on 2. Bangcola keeps it high. Pinalo and down and out. Well done by Princess Oliveros.
Yeah, alam mo si Oliveros, pag tinitingnan mo siya parang mahinhin, pero atake siya, fight mode. Whatever ball you give her, she'll do something with it.
Yeah. Lakas.
That's what really happens when you want to go aggressive, diba? Strong, para mahirapan yung kalaban mo i-receive yung ball. May risk talaga na mag-outside.
And that service ace finds the mark. 2-point lead by the AFP.
Yeah, Bettino is also one of those players na produces from the service zone. Kaya kailangan bantayan siya.
Bettino with 2 points, one of which is an ace. Handled well by Vicente. The whip.
Buhay!
Buhay siya. Bangcola sets. Good digging by Madulid. Hake blasts away. Oliveros shot handled. And another long rally in progress. Madulid. Drop. No problem that time. Net touch. Hake ended up whisking the net.
Actually, parehong nag-net touch, but Hake touched the net first.
Yeah. Which was what was pointed out by one of the coaches of the AFP. But you're absolutely right, partner. Naunang tumama si Major Hake. Who is a real major, huh? That is punch through. Yonko gets that to bite.
At napasok ni Yonko yon because she was faster than the defenders.
That's a good point. Yep. And it happened right in front of the first referee, Ledesma. Oh, lupit ang serve.
Oh, malupit si Olivero. Oliveros. Olores, sorry. Oliveros, kanina pala yun sa DFA. Si Olores is really, matindi pagdating sa...
Si Oliveros na sa PNP.
Oh, okay.
Ako rin.
Olavere pala yun.
Olavere. Wala yun. Mas marami. Huwag ka mag-alala, mas marami akong mali siya. 16-12. Sino na nag-time out? Palagay ko... AFP. Makinig tayo.
Wala kami. Yan wala. Kasinap.
Kung kulbahan mo, buga lang, buga. Kung ka mali, bawit ta. Normal lang tayo magmali. Pero bawit lang tayo kung sa konsono na pod. Let's go.
Kasinap.
Pag si
yung nasa harap, running lagi yun.
Kung ikulbahan mo, sakit mo. Let's go, BNB! Team! Atong error ay nakagagat.
Bisaya yun eh. So, ang sabi, pag nagkamali, okay lang yan. Get up. Move on. Ganon. Tung sa... Again, meron din mga reminders dun eh, na huwag kakabahan. Dahan-dahan lang. Kasi nga, mabilis ang AFP.
Exactly. Ira, ano meron dyan?
Nagtawag ng reinforcements itong PNP, and by reinforcements, I mean tagapag-cheer sa kanila dito sa Paco Arena. Kaya naman present dito sa venue ang ating UVL Season 1 Best Libero na si Marisa Tumpalan. Papunta dapat siya sa PSM BFI. Nanggaling siya doon. Ito yung insurance ng PNP dahil meron siyang monetary incentive na makukuha for her retirement. So she served the PNP for 20 years and 5 months. At nakakuha siya ng message from Yam Porio sa kanilang GC na active pa rin daw hanggang ngayon, na may game ngayon sa Paco Arena ang PNP. Kaya dumiretso siya dito sa Paco Arena para suportahan ang kanyang kupunan. Balik sa inyo.
Wow.
So, ang tanong, Ira, nakuha na ba yung benefit? Kasi pag nanalo ang PNP, may blowout na.
Patay. Ubos.
Congratulations. Well
yes.
done. In the meantime, ang solid ng floor defense ng AFP, ha? Pangkola rolling on the floor. Diba? Ha? Ang solid ng digging ng back row. Oh, yung luga ni Hake.
Tsaka nakikita mo yung movement ng AFP eh. Very fluid. Alam nila kung saan sila, kung paano sila atras, paano sila magpo-forward, kung kailan gagawin yun.
You know, there's also a mission on the part of the AFP. You know, their win was, of course, cancelled by the commissioner's office. They want to prove to the PNP that that win was a win, although they had committed the violation, they accepted it, and they accepted the decision of the commissioner. In the meantime, that's Luklong, and Vicente unable to handle the heat.
Yeah, I thought that ball was outside already kasi ang taas pa rin eh, nasa dulo na ng court.
We've got one of their veterans, Marilu Padilla, sliding into the lineup onto the floor. She's one of the taller players of this PNP side. Here's Yonko. Pangkola. Good set. They have to play at the... Ibahin nila yung angles, ha? Nababasa sila ng AFP. Good combination. Ito, free ball. Sa likod, ganda ng set.
Yes.
Hindi lang naibaw ni Padilla. Runner. Oh! Huli ng block.
Oh, good up!
Ilag sila.
Wow.
We have a great rally going on.
Nice! Ang ganda ng basa ni Atuka si ending that long rally. Exciting long rally. Kita niya, butas. No need for those hard hits. So she went for a push.
Alam niyang pagod pa si Yonko kaka-ikot dun sa floor. Pinaon niya ron. Padilla will be serving. Madulid. Olores. Madulid. And That's perfect.
Ganda ng arm swing. It was a full arm swing kaya yung elevation niya. Maganda rin. She went over the blockers during that time.
6-point lead by the Armed Forces of the Philippines Lady Gunner. Major Hake. Angkola with a push set. Hake. Olores Bettino. Did she get it? Yes.
Mo kanina pa yun ang target niya between 4 and 5, zones 4 and 5. She has, parang expert na siya dun Nakukuha niya yung angulo, nakukuha niya yung
siguro sa training
well calculated.
Sa training may cone siya dun
Yes. Pwede.
Because nobody else is hitting it that way on that side of the floor.
Yeah.
Pinabol that time by Gomez. De Gia, Olores. Well done that time by Oliveros. Yonko, Bettino.
Oh, good up!
Alive.
Good save.
Alive, yep. Mangkola, nagkagulo. Yes, well done by the PNP. And it took us with a good delivery.
Ganda nung play ni Bangkola went for Etukas. Kasi middle siya, so mas mabilis yung pagbigay sa kanya ng bola. Mas mabilis yung atake.
Well read. AFP though still in the lead by 6. And you've got Ronquillo serving. De Gia. Rattles the net. And it's on the ground. That cuts down the lead to 5.
Gomez not playing with the net during that time.
Yeah. Alam mo, kutob ko rito, each set will be fought this way.
Full of energy.
Full of energy at saka hatawan ng hatawan. Saka ayaw mamatay yung bola either side.
Yes.
Well done. Cargado. But well played nonetheless. Kia Gomez is thwarted.
Nice.
Set up, Limshako. Gomez resets. Got it to go!
You know, Gomez is not that much, not really a tall player, pero gagawa niya ng paraan with her jump, with her skill, yung mind niya
Yeah, very crafty.
Crafty, yes.
Mabayad will come in for Bettino to add a little ceiling to that front line. Ronquillo is there. It's in the air. The libero on the other side is Dr. Baron.
Nice.
Good shot! Well done!
Ang galing! Pinapakita sa atin ni Gomez na hindi lang strong hits. She has variations. Different kinds of hits available for her.
Next.
Hindi tayo makapatay ng isang maayos na palo ba? Ngayon, dalawa yung spike mo. Pag-isipan mo mabuti ang lalakas niyan. Isang open, ikaw magano ka, mag-tres ka ha? Saan ka nakapresto?
Na-open?
Hindi. Manggagaling sila sa kabila. Kailan natin, mapigilan natin sila. Ha?
C3 muna, C3.
Receive muna tayo, receive ha? May tumulong ka sa pag-receive ha?
Tara, guys.
Go! AFP! Gunner! Let's go!
Go.
You know, ang AFP, they recognize na mabilis ang PNP. May system ang PNP. Kailangan mas bilisan nila ang AFP yung kanilang mga atake. That's why may narinig tayong attack coming from the middle. Yung tres, yun.
Still very close and tight here. This first set is not yet over. 18 serving against 21.
Good first ball.
Olores, Mabayad, rejected. Madulid reaches for it, has to push it over. Bangkola, whoa, wicked shot that time. De Gia, however, unfazed. Bangkola resets, goes to Gomez, who zips it over. Olores tracks it down, and it's blocked at the net. Here we go with another long exchange, but Madulid has had enough.
Madulid had 2 blockers in front of her, but she managed to not be bothered by it. Ayan o, inano niya cross-court niya yung tama niya, inilagan niya yung mga blockers who were covering her for down the line.
Rachel De Gia gets an ace.
De Gia has been performing really well for AFP.
And you think she's the libero? No, she's not.
She's not.
She now gives her team a 5-point lead. Timeout requested by the PNP.
Sipan! Sikot lang. Push lang, konti lang. 5 lang. Sayang. Dalawang malakas na kapatid.
Abangan nyo yung dalawa. Si Madulid sa kasal. Abangan nyo. Dalawa lang yan. Wala na iba.
Okay lang mag-speed.
Sige. Konti lang yan. Trabawin lang natin yan, ha? Habol tayo. Tuloy tayo. Ang nasip mo sa likod.
Hindi!
So, ang PNP rin, no, they recognize na itong si Madulid at saka si Mabayad ang mga go-to players ng AFP, kaya talagang kailangan doon sila mag-concentrate.
Kasi, pag hindi nila binantayan, mukhang papalo yung Madulid eh.
Oo. Saka kung hindi naman kay Madulid ibibigay kay Mabayad yun for a faster play.
Mabayad came off the bench para sa AFP. 2 points away for the AFP to seal the deal. Sinuntok ni De Gia. Bangkola. Gomez. Madulid. Too long.
Oh, maririnig mo sa tunog ng palo niya na hindi tama yung pagka-hit ng kamay niya dun sa bola. So it went long.
Parang alam mong malakas no?
Yeah.
Crystal Joy Etucas. Olores. Madulid. Oh, that hurts as the AFP arrives at set point.
Ang galing nung tawag mo dito, she made up for the error that she committed earlier.
Gunnar at set point. Madulid. Whoa!
What a serve!
Red hot. Padilla handled it well though.
Good coverage.
Yonko, good track down. But it's out of control.
Padilla, good read on that. Pero, you gotta have it. Give it to Major Hackett. Talagang hinabol niya.
Yes. That's the spirit of this game. Don't give up right away. 20-24 as Bangkola serves. Olores, Yonko ends it. No, but not quite. It's outside. It's 24-21 as Bangkola will continue to serve. 2 set points saved by the PNP.
It's over. Buhay
pa, yeah. Mababa yung set. But nagawa ng paraan, and this first set is part of history of the UVL already.
Yari Yonko with that last hit. Hulog lang kasi alam niya nandun yung blocker for her. Pero yung hulog niya, maganda rin yung placement. Mahirap habulin ng floor coverage.
And on that note, the PNP has some chasing and catching up to do in the second set. First set ends at 25-21 in favor of the Armed Forces of the Philippines.
Okay, so this is the second match for the day. It's between PNP Lady Patrollers and the AFP Lady Gunner. The first set was finished in 25 minutes. It was an exciting one. Very fast yung pace niya. You can see the attacks parehong 13, blocks parehong 0. The service aces, dyan nagkaroon ng malaking difference. So even if mas konti ang errors ng PNP, mas mataas yung aces ng AFP, kaya nakuha nila yung set na yon. And Olores, one of the players that contributed as well as Betinho sa service aces na yan. So kailangan lang bantayan sila. Very strong ang kanilang services, very heavy, hard to receive, kaya kailangan yung magre-receive, yung PNP, on their toes, mabilis ang basa para makapwesto sila ng tama.
So again, this is the return match of the PNP and the AFP. Again, for history's sake, the AFP had won in the actual battle on opening day at the Rizal Memorial Coliseum. But after a review of the eligibility and the rules of the tournament, the AFP was found wanting and the game was awarded to the PNP. There was not much complaining from the AFP. They accepted the decision of the commissioner's office, and look at this. Why is Olores and Bangkola?
Mga sumasayaw.
Mga setter na ito, magtrabaho kayong dalawa dyan, ha? Tumugtog lang ng close, ayan. Dahil tuloy si Ronquillo. Naaliw kasing pinapanood si Bangkola at si Olores sa sumasayaw, eh.
At pag ikaw naman ang AFP, gusto mong magtuloy-tuloy na si Pantino sa kanyang service ace.
Yes. Samantala, Pantino as Bangkola. Ganda ng set. Out, hindi nakuha. It's overruled by referee Ledesma. He fell. There was a check. It was outside, pero tumama muna sa AFP bago lumabas. It's 1-all. Bangkola. Olores chases it. Bangkola raises it. Kinshako is there. Reached that time by Mabayad. Sinuntok ni Patino. Bangkola ang galing sa bump set. Tinaas naman niya yan. Gomez. Oh, that's handled by De Gia. Is acting like a second libero, really. Gomez slices it. Naman, pero tinaas pa rin. Akala ko mahuhulog na. Oh! Nahulog. Finally, hindi na itaas ni Oliveros.
Ano ba nangyari doon sa bilis ng play? Ayan. So, Olores went on 2 at hindi na stop ni Oliveros.
Yeah. Natakam na eh. It was seemed like it was open on the left side, actually. Limshako, and it's faulty passing by the PNP. This has been the fault. This has been the downside of their game, actually.
Oh, kasi nga very strong ang mga services eh. Especially Betinho delivered an ace or 2 aces a while ago.
Not that many errors actually, but it's the passing is not precise. Eh. In the meantime, Bangkola. Oh, well done by Patino. That's out of the game's horizon. And it's now 3-2, and 2 will obtain the serve. Gomez will be serving. Kia Gomez and Oliveros are the leading scorers for the PNP with 5 apiece. Lalim ng kuha ni De Gia. Oh, Limshako says, gotcha, puto! Putuan itong dalawang to. In the meantime, that's out.
Ang layo ni Bangkola, pero ang taas ng kanyang confidence kay Ronquillo. Gave her a chance to produce a point.
Well said. Correct yun.
There you go.
In the meantime, that serve. Binutasan sila.
Mabilis kasi yung set ni Olores.
Yeah, Gomez was surprised, shocked, stunned by it.
So you could see yung mga releases ni Olores, hindi ganun kataas yung mga bola niya when she gives it to her attackers because she's really trying to run fast plays.
But it's close inside. 4-3, Bangkola. That's on the floor already. Ingat kayo kay Oliveros. Top customer yan.
Nice back set there by Bangkola. Perfect for Oliveros.
Olores. Off the defense. Too close.
Yeah.
Ginawa
wow! I thought that setup was a bit wide for Ronquillo, pero kita mo naman how she reaches out for that.
Walang anggulo talaga. Ginawan.
Oh.
And the PNP grabs the upper hand. On one, Bangkola with an opportunity. Lucas missed it completely and she knew it. I know what the analysts and everybody would say. I had no wrist action. Yeah.
Okay, so quiet na lang tayo.
But she wasted it. Sabi niya. Diba?
Yeah. Alam niya. Good first ball.
Ronquillo, full swing.
Ganda nung set, middle hitter to middle hitter.
Yes.
Mabayad to Pantino. Alam niya kung anong gusto ng middle hitter.
Yep, absolutely. As we have Mabayad serving. Olores and company were shocked and stunned by the speed in which PNP. And this is how PNP can win against the AFP. You got to play a faster game, really.
Yes, faster game. And pag isa lang yung blocker mo, hindi yun magiging threat para sa attacker ng, each team. Magaling umiwas eh.
On two. Nabasa ni Hake.
It's over.
Olores with one hand on it.
Good cover.
Ronquillo chases. Ronquillo uncorks. Mabayad blocks the end zone and PNP touches it last.
Here's that setup of Olores, and again, it's a low one to the middle because you don't want the net defenders of PNP to be ready. Kaya binibilisan nila talaga yung offense.
Cheryl Hake serving. Bimshako. No clear play. Ronquillo tried to hit it off a regalo, no dice. Tucas gets it to connect.
You know, so far, napapaandar ng PNP ang kanilang middle because the first ball is being given to, look at that, hindi na gumalaw si Bangkola eh. So if she gets the opportunity, she'll run the middle.
Exactly what happened. Pantino fires, and it's a bullet straight and true.
And sometimes you do a side receive pag alam mong wala ka sa pwesto. Kaya kailangan mas mabilis ang galaw.
You have to be in front of the ball.
Yes.
Kain ka muna, Ira. Sandali lang. Sandali lang. In the meantime, Olores, after this play, I'll go to you. Now we can go to Ira. Ira, go.
Siyempre, hindi magpapahuli ang AFP sa reinforcements na dala nila dito sa Paco Arena. Present dito ang ating UVL Season 1 Finals MVP na si Vine Eguia. She was actually supposed to be part of the lineup this season, but due to her schedule ay hindi siya nakasali dahil sumampa na sa barko itong si Vine Eguia. And she's still very active in supporting dito yung kanyang AFP team. Palagi siyang nakaabang dyan sa Facebook live streaming, and she's very vocal about saying na inaabangan niya na mag-back-to-back champions ang kanyang kupunan. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you very much, Ira. In the meantime, we've got a lively exchange happening. Oh! Grabe, it's a matter of who will win this long rallies, ha?
Oo eh. Okay, that time si Limshako, good read. She stretched out her hand to get that, tapos rini-track niya kasi nakita niya outside.
Ay. Mabayad, Olores.
Set.
Oh, well done by Bettina. Simple.
Oh, ang ganda ng set ni Olores. Look at this. It's high. It wasn't moving. It wasn't spinning. Kaya katakam-takam para sa isang hitter.
Parang makikita mo yung letra ng volleyball eh.
Oo.
Yung logo. Oh! Pacola trying to be wily there. Bettino. Yeah, well done.
Nag-usap sila eh. Sinabi ni Bangkola, ibibigay niya kay Oliveros eh. So Oliveros was ready for it.
Yung mga set ni Olores at Bangkola, ang sarap paluin.
Oo.
Ang lambot.
Agreed.
Sakto. Olores, even that is a good set. Stretch 4 by 10. Here comes Olores. Babayan. Rejected! And it's still alive. They have to send it over. Limshako. That's a tough set. Gomez had no angle.
Yeah, no touch. Mataas eh.
Ang ganda ng ginawa ni Tien Bangkola eh. Nailayunan niya yung blockers kaso walang angulo si Gomez. Eh. Here we go with Bettino.
Nice save.
May spin yung set. Well done. Mabayan with a wicked delivery.
Saka ang ganda nung pag-retract niya ng arm niya. Ayan full. It was just perfectly timed by Mabayan.
Here's Killy Joy Bettino.
Si Bangkola is asking for punta siya sa first referee kasi merong violation siyang nakita na there's a player that crossed over the middle line but it wasn't called.
Well, she's not going to pursue it. 1, we don't have a challenge. 2, let's play on. Naku, ginawa ng paraan ni Tin. Hala, nag-ice skating dito sa harap natin. But too much power, too much heat.
Alam mo, mabuti na rin yun na hindi pinursu ni Bangkola because it might affect the psyche of the team. Pag halimbawa, it doesn't fall in their favor.
9-13. 13-9. Nicely done.
Yeah.
That time. And alam mo, power ang ginagamit ng AFP.
Tsaka
hindi kulang it's power.
Tsaka iniikot ni Olores yung bola bilang sa isang tao.
Nalakas pumalon, madulid, mabayad.
Yeah. Hake.
And Hake, let's listen in to the PNP.
Kami, di kapalo.
Tsaga lang. Patsagaan mo yung patsagaan. Huwag kayong
Padikit ko pa.
Lilima lang yan.
Huwag magsawa. Tsagaan yun.
Communicate, ha?
Oy, tara. Malayo pa.
Black. Tawan mo. Tawan nyo naman.
Tumang-tuman mo.
Hindi lang.
Energy. Wala pa. Energy lang.
Tara.
Saka alam mo, kung may challenge man, wala doon sa 6 na allowable challenges. Yung cross the middle does not count.
Yeah.
At most you can challenge a net touch, which probably did not happen. In the meantime, AFP is still ahead by 5 and just using its resources and its arsenal here. Bangkola needs to try something different. That could be a good move in the right direction as Vicente knocks that in.
You know, I thought Vicente did not really like that hit of hers. She meant for something else, but ang ganda naman, nakaproduce ng puntos. Kaya laki ng smile niya.
Yeah, she adjusted.
Yeah, she
and
adjusted.
This serve in play. 4-point lead. Limshako gets to it. Oh, Vicente. Tough luck. Ended up short. 5-point lead by the Lady Gunner of the Armed Forces.
Coach Rod there, napapatingin na lang. Kasi nawawala yung first ball ng PNP eh.
Naku, one-handed set. Tulis. Vicente.
Again, no, that was an over-receive pero nagawa ng paraan ni Bangkole para ma-set up niya yung kanyang hitters.
4-point lead by the AFP. Some housekeeping being done on the floor. Make sure it's not slippery in any area. Olores, the quick. Lakas lang talaga ginamit to.
3 blockers in front of Mabaya that walang nagawa. Paano kasi mas mabilis yung kanyang pasok ng bola na hindi pa nakakaakyat yung blockers.
Ira?
Tin Bangkola is one of the Kikay girls here in the UVL. So hindi mo siya makikitang hindi naka-red lipstick every time it's game day. Pero alam niyo ba, merong time na kalbo itong si Tin Bangkola at 0.5 lang yung tinira sa kanyang buhok. This is part of their basic training program sa PNP dahil during the training program ay 5 seconds lang daw yung binibigay para maligo. Kaya kinakailangan talaga silang kalbuhin para matapos nila yung kanilang cleaning in 5 seconds. Dahil determined policewoman daw talaga siya, ay naka-mindset na siya, nakakalbuhin siya. Pero yung ibang mga kasabay daw niya ay medyo nag-iyakan pa daw dahil syempre para sa mga kababaihan ay kasama sa identity nila ang kanilang buhok. Kaya Tin Bangkola just made do with what she has. Siya daw yung kalbo pero pinahaba na lang daw niya yung kanyang pilikmata. Balik sa inyo.
Ganun ba adjustment na? Ganun ba mag-adjust? Kasi alam ko kilay is life.
Oo, kilay talaga is life.
Okay, sige. Ay, naku.
Thanks for that report. Ang ganda nung report na yun,
Pero si Bangkola.
5 seconds maligo. Kaya mo yun, Sir Sev?
Ako, record ko 2 minutes. Wisik-wisik.
Ang bilis.
We have a new player on the floor for the PNP. Let me get her name. That's Lizelle Paginado.
She's going to be the setter.
Yeah. Padilla is back on the floor. Back row attack. Oh, that's too hot to handle. And Oliveira's hiding her face as she mishandled that pass.
The hit came from Major Hake.
Alam mo, ang hirap bantayan ng AFP. Ang daming weapons eh.
Correct. Front or back. Kahit anong zone.
Saka ano eh. They have, kung military terms, they have air support and land support.
Yeah.
Padilla whisks it in. And Ronquillo keeps it in play, has to stand up quickly. Good receive that time.
Good shot.
Yeah. Oliveira's keeping it in play. Paginado says, get out. And it's inside. Bettino within bounds takes care of it, gives them a 7-point lead.
Grabe, hindi ako naglalaro pero pagod ako.
Diba?
Ang bilis kasi. Ang bilis ng plays for both teams. Ang bilis mag-react. Ang ganda ng mga defense nila and offense.
Outside on that serve by Major Sherlocke.
Yeah, good read there by Gomez.
Lady Gunner has a 6-point edge here in the second. They took the first set at 25-21 earlier.
Nice serve.
Pantino taking care of it.
Good dig.
Gomez, not enough heat. And it doesn't stay in the air.
You know, si Bettino, pag ikaw naman ang setter, bibigyan mo talaga siya eh. Kasi nakaka-produce talaga whether strong, soft,
or off the net.
Off the net, yeah.
AFP with a 7-point lead. Guia. Outside, and it will go to the PNP.
Pantino tried to target zone 1 kasi walang tao doon eh. But her ball just went wide.
You've got Leticia Tejada, one of their veterans, seeing action for the first time. She'll serve. On the other side, we have Anne Lohan seeing action for the first time. 6-point lead by the AFP. They have the serve. The Gia is there. That is straight and true.
Pantino recognizing 2 blockers pero yung isa mas maliit so doon niya dinaan yung block niya, ay yung tira niya. There you go.
Kahit anong depensa ang gawin ng PNP, they have to do something special here. AFP feeling they can get away with anything. Paginado, Gomez digs it over. Dolores, Dolohan, and that's reached for.
It's too near.
Habol.
Okay, right now nagkakagulo ang PNP
Yeah,
kasi
very so.
masyadong mabilis at saka very systematic ang AFP sa kanilang paggalaw on the floor. So they have PNP, they have to talk, they have to calm themselves down and get back into their system.
Rhea Mariposque sees action for the first time. Ronquillo went for it. That's inside. And Padilla gets that to connect. Bangcola and Vicente will return. They'll pull out Paginado as well as Padilla. Yeah. Seven-point lead. Bangcola serving.
Nice serve.
Uh-oh. And it becomes an ace.
At yan ang nagagawa kapag nakapagpahinga ng konti. You got a good serve from the team captain.
Back row strike. Gomez. Bangcola jump set. 2 straight points by the Lady Policeman.
Nicely done there by Bangcola, activating the middle.
Bangcola and the Lady Police down by 5. And down by 6.
Ang nakakatakot dito kay Mabayad, talagang full ang kanyang pagpalo no? Kaya malakas.
Saka malaki pa siya.
Oo.
23-17. Dolon.
Wow.
That's inside.
Good hit by Gomez. Ito very confident whenever she goes up for those balls. Walang bahid ng thinking twice kung papasok bang bola niya or hindi.
Walang nervyos.
Walang nervyos.
Alanganin. Walang alangan.
Set
up. Oh, Mabayad swung it over. That's well done.
You know,
yeah, go ahead.
Si Bangcola, ayan she ran to get that second ball pero she managed to give it pa rin sa good position para kay Vicente.
Long haul still. Oh, but could be something special coming up for the PNP as they come within 3. Rightfully so, AFP calls the timeout.
Relax lang. Pinapareceive doon, ikaw tumulong ka dito sa ano. Ha? Dito lang. Dito ka lang sa may side na to. Patulungin mo. Ang sinasabi na tumulong ka dito sa pagre-receive. Ha?
Tulong ako rin.
Let's go.
Dito siya sa guys, last 2 na lang tayo. 1 good receive, 1 good set, isang magandang palo para makapunta sa game. Let's go! AFP! Gunners!
You know, you and I have covered this game for a long time, and you know that in the bones of the PNP, they probably think we're not going to overhaul that 3-point lead kahit na sabihin lang isa-isa lang. They want to build momentum for the next set. Bettino is back in. Grabe itong AFP today. They're tools are all sharpened.
Pinaghandaan talaga.
Their firing pins are all going despite that error. There's 1 point though.
Yeah, miscommunication there between the setter and the hitter, Marifosque at saka si Mabayan.
And now Marifosque will sit down. Olores will check back in. Malakas.
Oo.
But that's a point. So here we are. That changes everything.
I bet ang sinabi ng teammates niya, hinaan mo. O kaya atras ka pa.
Atras ka pa. Ito. Anybody's setter, despite the fact that it might be difficult for the PNP. Let's see. They're a wily bunch. So let's see what happens here.
Oh!
And Fortune smiling on the hardworking. We're tied at 23. Istama si Team Bangkola. Isa-isa lang.
Alam mo, tama yung idea ni Mabayad eh. Ilagay sa zone 4, kaya lang short.
Bitin.
Oo, nabitin.
Bitin.
Oh!
Aray. Aray, 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 aray. Yan ang aray.
Oo, napakama tuloy si Coach Rod dito sa sideline.
And we are at set point. Pantino has been steady, huh? Oh, and we're done.
Lilet Mabaya just finishing that set for AFP. Nakita mo parating middle ang pinapaandar ni Olores kasi mas control talaga yung kanyang first ball. Tapos kung hindi naman niya mabigay sa middle, napapagana niya ng maganda yung kanyang mga perimeters, yung mga hitters niya on both sides.
So the PNP with a lot of rethinking, adjusting that has to be done. They're down 2 sets to love against the AFP that's really loaded today.
Alright, so kakatapos lang po ng set 2 between PNP Lady Patrollers and the AFP Lady Gunner. 25 minutes din ang tapos nung second set, parehas lang sa set 1. Again, AFP won that 25-23. They were just really faster in their attacks, and that's why may kita natin they are 4 points higher than PNP. Mas controlled ang errors ng PNP pero mas madami yung attacks kaya dun bumawi ang AFP, and they were able to have the attacks come from the middle, which means mas mabilis kaya mas nahirapan yung floor defense ng PNP na sagutin yung mga atake nila dahil nga they were most of the time they were, especially towards the latter part, nagsascramble na sila nagugulo, so that yung mga receive nila misreceived yung over the net. Kaya nagkakaroon ng tough time yung setter nila to run plays. Very limited na tuloy yung mga plays niya. And namabatayan sila ng AFP. So let's see if they'll be able to adjust in the third set.
And here we go. Mountain to climb. Not a large mountain, but still a mountain to climb for the PNP. Here we go. Bangkola first serve, it scrambles across the net. PNP needs to do something different here. They get the point via the down the line strike.
Halimbawa yun, something different. Kasi kanina, we would see Gomez go for cross-court. Now, she goes for a down the line and targets the corner.
Yonko. Then Shako. And some muscle. Using some power there. Gomez.
Oh, kita mo yung attack niya, mas nauna kesa sa dun sa block ni Yonko. That's why pumasok yung bola niya.
Bangkola continues to serve. De Gia. Slice shot. Bangkola reverses. Yonko taps it in cleanly. Bangkola somersault on the floor. De Gia can be a libero, you know. Bettino.
Nice.
Looked like it was on the floor, but no whistle we play on. Ayaw. Matigas sa ulo, sabi ni Yonko. De Gia with some pride in her game. Lakas. Nakuha.
Oh, wow. It nipped the line. Oo. There's that hit. Oo, pasok na pasok.
Oo naman. Bangkola. Sinampal ni Gomez. That does not cross for Yonko and she's so disappointed.
May halong gigil dun sa kanyang palo.
Kita mo Lady Police have a 2-point lead. Hot. Too much heat.
Bumawi naman talaga si Yonko doon. She did not like that mistake earlier, so she showed us what she could do.
Really cranked it up, loaded shot there, 2-3 count. That's gonna work. That's gonna score.
Oh, there's a touch.
Yeah, check ball. Outside, but a check ball. 4-2 on count. PNP with a slight lead here. Lumilipad. Pasok eh.
Si Harry Yonko, pag nasa harap siya, whether sa gitna siya or opposite, lethal.
Bangkola. Ronquillo shot in play. And well done. Badulid. Tied at 4. Go ahead.
Yung yung tira kasi niya, nakita niya that there's a gap in between the blockers. So doon niya pinasok yung bola.
Alam mo, hirap kalaban ng AFP. Lalamangan mo, tapos ang bilis nilang humabol.
Oo nga eh. Parang asar sa'yo dahil lumamang ka.
Lamang ka ha?
Eto sa'yo.
Nice effort. Nice effort by Bettino. Malayo lang masyado si De Gia.
Ronquillo with that point for PNP. Kaya dapat talaga for PNP, faster plays.
Yes. So they're currently ahead by 1-5-4. Vicente serve. Too long. We're tied at 5.
Yeah, and good read there by Bettino. Si Bettino, alam niyang, binasa niya nandun na siya sa dulo ng court Kaya she let it go.
Okay.
Isip po, oh my goodness. Miscommunication sa team ng PNP.
And this has been the story of their game this afternoon. Really.
Yeah.
Many of the points that have been scored by the AFP is through some miscues by the PNP. Ronquillo gets it to crawl in.
Very smart. Ronquillo saw na nandun si Madulid. So ang ginawa niya, wiped it off the blocker. Look at that.
and caught her on the way down.
Yes.
And it did not cross. So Ronquillo will serve at 6 apiece. Olores has to hustle for it. Bangkola on 2. Digia wise to it. Bang! Madolid celebrating.
Oh, nicely done. Whether that's calculated or chamba, doesn't matter. Nasa kanila yung puntos. Celebrate ka.
Thank you.
Oh.
Kahit malayo pa, Pasko. Thank you. 7-6. Here's Digia. Rachel serve. Really loaded. Easy ball!
Oh, good up.
Sabi ng PNP, ba't buhay pa yan? But Digia out of position. Not out of control, but out of position.
Oh, kasi nagkakagulo pa ang floor defense ng AFP. Bumabalik pa lang sila sa kanilang posisyon Pumasok na yung bola ni Gomez.
Tabla po sa 7. First 2 sets going the way of the AFP. Both in 25 minutes length. The drop. Okay. Jump set. No attack. Nice drop. Here's Betinho. Hanggang bukas ito. Betinho? No, it's the other way. It's Madolid. Lakas. Gigil. Ira.
There were no days off para dito sa AFP. That's why they're playing excellent volleyball right now. May 29 was actually their last game. So that's a 21-day break para dito sa AFP. And according to Coach Miriam Go, wala daw umuwi sa probinsya even for a short while. Lahat ng mga players from the regional areas walang nakipagkita sa kanilang mga pamilya because it's training as usual para dito sa AFP. Ganun sila ka-determined para i-reclaim yung number 1 spot. Because all throughout the eliminations, they were just number 2 and they were trailing after PNP. Kaya naman they want to end the elimination rounds back at the number 1 spot, especially as defending champions. Balik sa inyo.
At kaya
Why
naman,
not? And why not?
Oh, kaya naman ganito ang kilos nila.
Yeah.
Very fluid, very smooth, non-stop training.
And
Oops.
they had the luxury of getting their team together while other teams
Yeah. Good coverage.
other teams were struggling. In the meantime, we have a campfire and somebody got hurt there. Is it Olores?
Yeah. Ano ba nangyari doon? Tingnan
Nagkauntugan ito. And then,
Oh,
hyperextend niya.
Oo, yung knee.
Knee niya.
But, nakatayo siya ngayon.
Siyempre, pag nabatak yan, masakit.
Yes.
Tapos sabay chismisan sa kabila, no?
Oh, pero at least parang kinamusta siya. Are you okay? Okay naman
Okay ka
daw
lang?
siya. Oh.
Kung susunod, abulin mo, Yonko. Oh, she got it. She got it with the check ball called against the PNP.
She knew there was a check ball Kasi nung pagtalikod niya after she hit the ball.
Dami kamay
She knew.
Tabla-tabla sa 9. Vicente. Oh, tinaas ni Olores. Yonko umikot. Bangkola. Betinho, no problem. Hindi na ang baon. It's outside.
You know, that was a good idea. Pero yun yung nangyayari. Ang AFP is forcing PNP to commit errors.
Yes, that's right. And the break's not going the way of the PNP in terms of those slim margins of difference between inside and outside. Olores, good set. Oh, check ball.
Yeah.
Check ball.
Check. There's the hit of Yari Yonko, but Ronquillo hits that ball.
Gusto itago ni Ronquillo yung kamay niya, pero wala na, nasalat na niya. Dalawa ang lamang ng AFP. They lead 2-0.
Nice serve.
Tinaas. They have to send it over. Limshako does so.
Nice set.
Ronquillo with good hands.
Ooh, good set.
Nice strike by Oliveros. Hindi na baon ni Yonko. Sa likod, Ronquillo. Chance to attack. Another one of those long exchanges. But Vicente winning out there.
Patigasan talaga to ng patibayan.
Patigasan ng ulo ito eh.
Patibayan talaga to ng loob eh. Sino yung unang susuko?
Sino unang kukurap dito eh. Sino unang kikindat? Sige na. Kahit nakilay is life. Sige. 11-10. Hala! Hinulugan ni Hake.
Yeah. Nung pababa na yung blocker, doon pinasok ni Hake yung bola.
2-point lead by the AFP, which has been a familiar strand and refrain here. Over the net it goes. And that doesn't work.
Sabi ni Yonko, wala. Nobody, hindi pwedeng makapasok yung bola.
13-10 all of a sudden. PNP huddling up now.
Huwag tayong palayo, huwag mong tayo. Tayo problema, tara. Tayo problema. Let's go. 3 points, kaya nagbibigay niyan. Reset tayo, reset. Reset lang, reset.
Huwag manggigil. Silang.
Tsaga.
Day,
Tsagayin nyo lang, bangs.
bawat magandami lang, nagigigil ka eh. Yung huwag yung naglakan si Hake mo, lambot-lambot ng palo niya. Yung input ang baka nyo.
Tara!
Oh, Pinpe!
You know yung timeout na yon, hardly anybody talked, pero it was really just for them to calm down. Diba? Talagang breathe. Tapos, alam niyo, okay, regroup. Ibig sabihin, tingnan niyo ulit yung kalaban. What do you know about your opponents? Ano yung strengths and weaknesses nila? Tapos, doon nyo sila atakihin.
What are we giving away too much of?
Yes.
Diba? In terms of balls that they can easily handle. Olores malambot.
So that was a good timeout by Coach Ron.
They got something out of that with a point, which brings them within 2 here in the third. Oliveros. Sakto yung set eh.
Si Olores, kabisado niya kung ano yung gusto ni Yonko. Kabisado actually niya kung anong gusto ng kanyang hitters. And she just serves it to them on a silver platter so that they could shine.
Well said. In the meantime, Bangkola tries to do that on the other hand.
Oh.
That is gonna stay in, and it's now a 4-point lead by the AFP.
You know, si Maduled, hindi niya tinanggal yung mata niya sa bola.
Yeah, hindi.
So AFP gets that point again, and Yonko goes to the service position.
Haba nung serve, pero kumounter. Alam mo itong AFP pag kinalaban mo, kailangan patakbuhin mo eh.
Oo.
Kailangan patakbuhin mo to eh.
Good dig.
Kailangan mas masipag ka sa kanila eh.
Oo.
Ronquillo. Yung palo mo hindi yun nababasa. Bangkola. Nice shot. Well done.
Yeah, nicely done. I was surprised walang nag-block kay Ronquillo that time.
And now the AFP probably will be wiser. They'll put somebody on Ronquillo next time around.
Yeah.
Here's Vicente.
Oh!
2 points in a row. As an accident happens on the other end, it mishit De Gia, ended up mishitting. Yun, tinamaan ni De Gia.
Oo nga.
Madulid. Yongko. Madulid. Tough angle. Blocked. Oh, good hands back.
Oh!
Betinho, but Olores says she got so engaged, enthralled by what Betinho did, she forgot that she had to run for the second ball.
Pwede. Whatever it was, talagang welcomed yun by PNP. Point for them.
Well, to be fair, inamin naman ni Olores na siyang may kasala doon. In the meantime, here she is. Madulid does not force it. Up. Hindi tumawid. Smart move by Madulid. Just use the fingertip on it.
Yeah. Ito yung nangyari doon. There goes Itukas. She went for that hit, but you could see, hindi tinamaan ng kamay ni Madulid eh. Sa tape lang.
Halos daliri lang. Enough to distract yung motion
Yes, enough to distract.
ni Madulid. And that'll work. Ronquillo beginning to percolate here.
Yeah, nicely done by Ronquillo. She went for a cross court because she knew that her down the line was covered.
Ronquillo is in twin digits with 10. Betinho high. Limshako is there. Lots of power on that one, but neutralized. Betinho. Too hot.
You know, itong si Bangcola, she went for the outside hitter, didn't work, so she went for the middle, that worked. Because when you give the ball to the middle, parang halos walang zero tempo yun eh.
Exactly.
Ang bilis.
1 point lead by the Lady Gunner. Middle attack. When the AFP wants to play fast, they can be deadly.
Look at that hit. So well calculated by Madulid.
Two-point lead by the AFP. Betinho punches it. Throw! Medyo delayed reaction on the part of the PNP, but it is the AFP with a 3-point lead.
Oh, kasi you could actually, good yun eh when you hit it with any part of your body. Kailang yun, tumama sa post.
Si Digia, parang libero talaga. That serves. Out.
Whoa! Look at Digia run after that ball. Actually, pwede pa kasi yun eh, di ba? Kung naabutan niya, keeps that ball up, puts it back to their court, pwede pa yun ibalik eh.
Ang alam mo, palagay ko, malayong kapatid ito ni Don Macandili.
Pwede. Parang may hawig nga sila eh.
At saka lahat ng bola hinahabol eh. Hindi naman siya libero.
Very, masipag.
Oh, ang lakas pumalo ng nag-sharpen ng tools ang AFP sa palo.
Ito namang PNP ang ginawa ni Gomez. Soft touch. Okay, so the blocker was there, pero pababa na si Madulid. Doon niya pinasok yung bola.
Anybody set here, PNP down by just 1.
Oh, good cover.
Olores trying to be wily there.
Good reaction.
Sinampal. Madulid. Good stretch that time by Gomez. Oliveros. Pinas. Gomez. You have to hit harder against the PNP, against the AFP. Something like that. Digia.
Easy ball.
In other words, sa AFP, paluan ng malalim. Baon mo ng konti. No matter what happens. Ball will be sent over by Betinho. Haba nito. Tinaas. Hala, Digia. Nagkagulo! Tugas.
Hindi mo kasi pwedeng bigyan ng free ball eh, ang AFP because they're gonna use that to earn the point.
We have a new play on the floor. Wiley Lavado will see action. Here's Madrid, who has performed so well here today. Regalo. Yonko. Gusto na rin umuwi. Ano?
Hindi pwedeng magbigay ng free ball talaga, no? In whatever form, whether ganon or an easy ball over, because tatanggapin talaga yan ng AFP and they're going to produce a point for them.
AFP threatening to win this in straight sets. Ooh, problematic yung reception na yun.
Oo.
Ay! Alam ni Yonko.
Kita mo yung reaction niya eh.
Parang ay. Salas will come in for Vicente.
Oh, I'm sure ibibigay ni Olores ulit yung bola kay Yonko
At some point. Ano?
Yeah, makabawi. Oh!
But here comes a freebie. AFP now 3 points away from the PNP and 3 points away from completing the mission here. We have Hake coming in for Lavado. Kept in play by Ronquillo. Blocked.
Good cover.
Sorry, that's Salas, not Ronquillo. And here comes the chase down. And it's a clear delivery by the PNP. They come within 2.
You know, ang sarap panoorin ni Gomez kasi, again, she's not that tall of a player,
Correct.
pero alam niya yung timing, alam niya yung
Exactly.
ganda ng jump niya, she can manipulate the blocker.
Knows how to use that skill set.
Yeah.
That she has. This serve. Bugia on toe! That's ground 0.
Olores is a leader on the floor for AFP. She calls the shots and she earns points for them as well.
Exactly. And PNP will try to freeze this AFP team that's just playing so well here today.
Wala tayo receive.
Sige lang.
Sige lang, sulit mangyapon ka.
Sabi ko, constant reminder lang. Sabi, baka mag-drop. Hindi naman o baka mag-drop yung setter. Reminders. Remind yung teammate nyo. Tiyaga lang. Huwag magsawa.
Tatlo lang yan.
Tatlo lang. Push lang. Konting push na lang. Konting push na lang.
Sino ba sabi?
Oy.
Muna tayo.
Ito, ang gaganda ng katawan nitong coaches na ito, no?
Ng AFP.
Oh, di ba? Parang nakakahiyang lumapit.
Parang nakakatakot pag sila pumalo.
Parang, thank you. Nice game. Uwi yan agad. No, but they're fit. It's so nice to see them. They work out probably with the team. Also.
Yeah.
23-20. Tinaas.
Nice up by Olores.
Oo. Oh, ganda ng palo ni Salas. Neutralized lang. Ang bola. Cargado. Sumisipa pa. Oliveros.
Oo, kasi kanina sa timeout, sinabi, kapit. Ano lang yan, 3 lang yan.
Olubibab.
At PNP sila so talagang lalaban sila.
It's close 25-21.
Yes.
25-23 second. Tinaas. Hake.
Nice
done. We're
done.
tied.
Yeah.
1 point more. 23-22. I'm sorry, I was ahead of the story. 23-22. Time out, AFP.
problema lang natin, wala tayong pasa. So ngayon, atake tayo, service nila, atake tayo ka lang pasa, 5 ka. Mas laro mo yun, di ba? Ang kailangan ng pasa na maayos, set mo na maayos, ha? Okay? Hindi ganun kalakas ng service. Kailangan may-deliver mo lang ng maayos. Let's go.
AFP! Gunner! Relax lang, guys. Relax lang.
So sabi nga no, that first ball, kailangan makuha nila ulit. Nawala Tapos, ibabalik nila si Yari sa 5 and that's right side of the court. Kasi kanina, if you'll remember, di ba, in the first set, dun linalagay dun siya binibigyan ng bola, yung running, yun ang forte niya. So, sinabi ni coach, balik dun.
Parang they want to finish this quickly, wag nang matagal na pasahan ito.
Oo.
Kasi mahirap buhayin itong PNP.
Oo, nako. Ang 5 kasi mas wider yung setup nun than 4. Okay. Change balls lang. Here we go.
1-point game.
Yun ang sinasabi ni coach.
2-point game and we are at match point.
If you have a good first ball, the setter can set it well. And she put Yari in a really good spot.
And we're done. We're back to 3 sets.
So, ito the teamwork of AFP, very evident from start to end. They were loud inside the court. They knew their system. They knew how PNP was going to play their artillery, kung paano nila gagamitin. Alam nila nabantayan nila.
Yeah, exactly. And now the PNP will have to think of many other strategies in the future if they should face the AFP again. Sino muna ang best player natin?
Siyempre, yung best player natin ay si Madulid.